Here is how you can test and measure your internet speed on your PC or Mac. So if you're on your computer or laptop and your internet seems to be slow, or you're just curious about your internet speed, then you want to open any web browser and then go over to google.com. In here, we want to type Internet Speed Test and then hit Enter on your keyboard. We will then get a bunch of different search results here, but the website which I use is this speedtest.net, and I'm going to leave the website link in the video description down below so you can open the website from there. Once we open the site, it's going to look something like this, and we will simply click on this Go button and then wait a couple of seconds or even a minute until the website measures the speed of our internet connection. It's first going to measure our ping, then the download speed, and after that, it's going to measure the upload speed. So the higher your numbers are, the faster your internet connection is. As you can see, my download speed is around 20 megabits per second, and the upload speed is 5 megabits per second. It's a pretty good and stable connection, but it's not something that's super fast. Any speed above 10 megabits download and 2 or 3 megabits upload should be able to handle HD videos, gaming, conferencing, and other things without any issues. But that's essentially how you can measure your internet speed. Leave a comment down below on what your download and upload speeds are, and I'll see you in the next video.